Hi guys, good day. Today I'm cooking ogbolo soup. Come, let's cook it together, guys. Let me put the meat. This is the meat I want to use. So I'll parboil it and throw the water away. This is my crayfish, my pepper, my maggi cube, and my salt, the ogbolo, and my fish. And this is what is the name of? Wait, let me. uh, uh, and this is my local beans and this is my gbore. Let me speak it the way I know it. This is my gbore. I hope many people knows this. If you have two, wait, let me show you the other one. Let me show you guys. I'm using this. This leaf is from my husband place. Mm, this leaf is from my husband place, and the name is Okpan. If you are a Esan person, you know this leaf. This is the leaf we are using. And my husband love this leaf so much. In ogbolo soup and okra soup. He love this leaf. So don't worry, I'll show you guys. You know what I mean? I'm not an Esan woman. I'm married to an Esan man, so automatically I'm Esan. So this is what this is all what I'm using to cook the soup. And this is my oil, my palm oil to cook the soup. So let me melt this one. This one. Let me just melt it now. It. I'm still melting it. See? I'm done. My ogbolo is ready. That's it. Everything's okay. And put fresh water. Put this away and put fresh water. Anyway, you the whole. So, yeah, fish. Guys, I want to bring out the meat. Guys, I want to turn my ogbolo inside the pot. Guys, it's too thick, so I add hot water to it. Well, you add lots of pepper and crayfish. I'll put my meat now. It's okay. It's still many now. My meat. When you reach time for work, you know go see. Salt is okay, maggi is okay, everything is okay. Hi. Guys, I'm done. My soup is ready. We are done. You can use it to eat eba, amala, fufu, semo. But for me, I will use it to eat amala. Nine amala. It's okay.